And so it's the word that will show you the position of the husband, the wife, and the position of the children, how the children should behave towards their parents, and how the parents should behave towards the children. Because a lot of what social culture today teaches us brings failure to the homes. You spare the rod and you spoil the child. Amen. And it's true. Amen. And so, because over the years there has been a lot of things that have been proposed as to how to raise children. You don't insult them. You can't touch them. You can't. No, I'm not saying you should abuse your child, but I'm saying you should correct your child.